station. The train. This is the metro lane. We're gonna walk around here. Because there's this green, it's the LA Flyaway where they have all the buses.
On Independence Day, Thursday, July 4th, Metrolink will run its weekend schedule. For more info, visit metrolinktrains.com or call or text 800-371-5465.
What you doing with that? That's probably my piece of my shit.
So we're going upstairs where we have the buses. I will come back to go on the road, but I just want to show you where the bus is. So this is the LA Flyaway. They have all the buses. Yeah, today is Monday, so it's not that. I think during the weekend you see a lot of buses here. Here you can take a bus, the LA Flyaway bus, to the airport and different places. For example, you can take the bus to LAX. It's the one they call the LA Flyaway. It's really nice. It looks so this is where you get the information for the flyaway. It goes to the LAX. Thing. This is where you get the LA Flyaway bus. But there are other buses here too that you can take to different part of Los Angeles, different cities too. USC, you see, I think USC buses come here too. So this is the station. Tell me what you think about this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I've done video here before, but I want to do this on a different day. This is the other side. So arrival and the departure. This is how you get out to take an Uber or Lyft or whatever ride sharing. They got, I think this is a bus for Dodger Stadium. They got a little bar across there. Now we can get out. So that's how outside looks. But let me show you where the Uber and Lyft, where that car with the emergency lights and that little red car, that's where you take your Uber and Lyft. That's the place. All the Lyft and Uber have to be there. They don't stop anywhere else.
Rather bring your ass up this way, so you keep that in.
That's the parking lot. I don't know how much it costs, but the street is called Alameda Street, and this is the sign for the Union Station. I know the sound is coming from that direction.